Bala AI app review. Does it hold up? Or is it just a hype? I'm gonna tell you straight. Bala AI lets you build and chat with custom AI characters that can be tailored by gender, personality, backstory, and more, all in a clean interface that's beginner friendly and private. Chats are encrypted and available 24/7, and you can even speak in multiple languages without queuing. Users love the creativity and freedom to go uncensored if they want, calling it better than other AI apps for role playing and storytelling, especially when they don't need strict filters. On the downside, some people say responses get repetitive. Sometimes characters forget what you said, and NSFW or deeply personalized content is behind the paywall now. There are also bugs, glitches, and the risk of cloned or stolen characters popping up, all of which can kill the mood. So yeah, Bala AI is fun, highly customizable, and great for creativity, but only if you're okay with paywalls, memory resets, and risking occasional glitches.